I had many questions that people are asking me about how to log on to my math lab. So you go to your Blackboard page or your MyTCC page, click on My Math Lab. And then we're going to click on My Math Lab Mastering Course Home or the Pearson account. And you're going to launch that website. And then you're going to agree to it. And then you'll create an account, and that's where you will be paying for it. Once you pay for it or get a temporary access code, it'll go directly to My Math Lab from there. You do have to pay for My Math Lab. So a lot of you people are asking me, where's the access code? You have to pay for the access code. And you can pay for it when you register for My Math Lab, or you could have bought it at the bookstore, scratch it off, and put in the access code.